Hello all, welcome to session 32 of SelectorsHub training series. In this session, I'm going to practically show you how to use SelectorsHub for auto-generating the locators for Cypress automation. So let's get started. Apart from using the SelectorsHub for auto-generating the locators for Selenium automation, we can use the same SelectorsHub for auto-generating the locators for the Cypress automation also. So in this session, I'm going to practically demonstrate this for you. For that, I'll first open this IDE, that is Visual Studio Code IDE, where Cypress automation code is already written for opening this application URL in the browser like this. Once this application URL is open in the browser like this, then we will locate this search box field and type the iPhone text. Okay, we need to locate the search box field and type this iPhone text in this search box field. In order to type this iPhone text into this search box field, we need to locate the search box field, right? We need to locate the search box field. For that, I'll be using SelectorsHub. Okay, in order to generate the locator for the search box field, I'll use SelectorsHub. Okay, right click, inspect, select the SelectorsHub option here in the dev tools. You see, SelectorsHub has auto-generated the different possible locators for the search box field. I'll copy this CSS selector locator. Okay, I'll copy the CSS selector locator which got auto-generated by the SelectorsHub for the search box field and paste here, guys. Okay, in this next line, which is going to type iPhone text into the search box field, inside this get command, I am going to paste this. I'm going to copy the CSS selector locator generated by SelectorsHub and paste it here. Okay, I'm getting some error, guys, because here already single quotes are there. Inside the locator also single quotes are there. Okay, to overcome that problem, simply add slash here. Simple. Okay, simply add slash. That's it. That will be gone. Now save this test and run this code. Okay, here I'll run this code. This should work, guys. Okay, that text, iPhone text should be typed into the search box field. Let's see whether it is happening or not. Using the CSS selector locator generated by SelectorsHub, you see iPhone text got typed into the search box field. So hope guys you understood how can we use SelectorsHub for auto-generating the locators, not only for Selenium automation, but also for the Cypress automation. So that's it, guys. See you in the next video session. Thank you. Bye.